This the Nosy Reader visit Mema. Thank you for joining me today. Today we're talking about one of the books from the Majors McLain mystery series by Christina. Today is Strong. Murder Makes It Mine. Samantha Masters was doing just fine. She was in control of her life, and so she thought, settled in her comfortable surroundings with her Yorkshire terrier, Rags. He had good she had good friends in the ladies' Riverhaven, and they got along quite well before Colonel John McLain, USMC, retired, put his grubby hands on her. And also, there's a little problem of an unsolved murder in the neighborhood. There you go. That gets you started on this book. I love it when you read a book and you get to the very last page and you feel like you're saying goodbye to chums. That's the way I felt after reading this book. And it's just, the main characters are very likable, and Rags had me chuckling out loud more than once. And you know, Rags is a little puppy. The banter between Samantha and McLain is priceless. Loved how all her friends followed the winding garden path, unearthing the details, and worked out to figure out the whodunit. A clever story. It's good if you like gardening and talking about gardening with all your friends and how it relates to life of everything. Enjoy.